This is Colin O'Keefe for LXBN TV with another video from LegalTech New York 2012. I am here with Nicole Black, author of Cloud Computing for Lawyers. Nicole, starting with the basics, can you just explain in basic terms what cloud computing is, and then also what are some of the concerns that are often faced?
Cloud computing is when your data is housed on a third-party servers. So rather than your data being housed on your hard drive or servers that you maintain in your own office, the data is housed on servers that are owned and maintained by somebody else. And for lawyers, that presents some unique problems and issues because lawyers have to maintain the confidentiality of their clients' data, and when they off-source their clients' data and house it somewhere else, that they encounter problems. And so lawyers have to exercise due diligence, and they have to take reasonable efforts to ensure that their confidential client data is secure. And so that does present a number of unique issues for lawyers.
Okay. And then, starting off just with the book, what's covered in the book? Generally, what types of information can lawyers expect to find in there?
It starts off with an overview of how we got here with cloud computing. Then the chapter 1 is definitions, concepts you need to understand, and then it goes into the security issues. There's an ethics chapter that was written by Steph Kimbrough, and then the last part of it is an overview of the decisions you make when you decide to use cloud computing in your office, and then an overview of the different types of legal cloud computing products that are available.
I see. And lastly, what are the advantages that are out there for cloud computing? It's a popular topic right now, but, what has the reception been, and do you see a lot of lawyers and law firms moving in that direction?
The benefits that cloud computing offers lawyers and any other business is you don't have to maintain your servers, you don't have to pay for licenses every year to update it, you just pay a monthly fee, and that subscription fee gives you access to the database. You can access the application from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection, so it gives you flexibility, and it also allows you to be more nimble, and so it's very appealing to solos and small firms because it gives them the computing power of people with larger wallets, more spending power. And the reception for cloud computing, it's a tough issue. It's becoming ubiquitous across the business world, but lawyers are slower to adopt. But I think that over the next year or two, in 2013, I think is really when it's going to tip for lawyers.
Mm-hmm. I mentioned in a previous interview, lawyers will tend to drag their feet a little bit, but once they see that it's advantageous for them, they'll jump right on it.
Right.
Perfect. Once again, this is Colin O'Keefe for LXBN TV. I'm here with Nicole Black, author of Cloud Computing for Lawyers. For more video interviews with legal tech presenters, exhibitors, and attendees, be sure to visit lxbn.lexblog.com. Thank you, Nicole.
Thanks so much.